Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Roam. It's the weekend, and you know what that means. Time to treat ourselves to a delicious lunch that's all about relaxation and good vibes. Today, we're at Pardes on Mall Road in Murray, a hidden gem known for delicious food with cozy brunch. Let's dive in. First off, how cute is this place? The ambiance is everything: warm lighting, comfy seating, and that smell of freshly baked bread. Yes, please. Weekend lunches are all about slowing down, right? No rush, just good food and great company. We're starting with their famous truffle fries and a refreshing mango mint lemonade. Perfect for kicking off the weekend. Okay, wow. The crispy texture, the burst of flavor. 10 out of 10. If this is just the appetizer, I can't wait for the main course. Now, for the star of the show, smoked barbecue ribs. Look at that glaze. Tender, smoky, and just the right amount of messy. Weekends are for napkins, not manners. No weekend lunch is complete without dessert. Meet gulab jamun, warm, gooey, and basically happiness on a plate. I'm speechless. Just try this. The perfect sweet ending. Guys, weekends are for recharging, and food like this definitely fuels the soul. Huge shout out to Pardes for an amazing experience. If you're ever in Murray, add this spot to your list. Thanks for hanging out with me. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to weekend lunch spot? Let's share the love. Until next time, eat well, live well, and